The anvil stood upon the necks of humanity, and it bore down with such force. In those final days, a sickness swept the lands of mankind and tore asunder the hopes and dreams of a feckless race of beings who could not help themselves. The observers witnessed burial grounds get filled and forests torn down, to tear the ground and bury more dead humans. And the amount of death that were cremated as this sickness mutated even further and made humanity bed to the whims of madness. Billions became millions, millions into thousands, and those thousands into the final hundreds. The last of those endings wept for saviors, gods that never came to their aid. This was a lesson they had to experience, and for the cosmos to feel. What transpired was the final handful of humans dying until there was just one, the ending, and his name was Koth, Hellstriker, and hell followed with him.
Namaste, Namaskaram.